Babe, why are you not sleeping?
I couldn't sleep.
Why?
Because I miss my baby.
You know I missed you so much, baby. I missed you.
So, what is going on?
Nothing much. You know, just here. You know, Gold moved out of the house today.
Why? Is everything okay?
Yeah, she moved in with her boyfriend.
I understand, but hope you're good, right?
Yeah, I'm fine, baby. It's just that I'm missing my baby. I just wish you're here so I can kiss you.
Not to worry. Very soon, it will just be you and I.
I know. I love you, baby.
I love you too.
My baby.
Red rose, red rose, red rose.
I wish this engagement party would just come and go. I'm tired.
Is that why you're worried? Just calm down your nerves. The party is already over. Okay?
What about Vinny? Is he not coming again?
Of course he's coming. I just spoke to him. He will soon be here. He's on his way.
I can't wait to see the face of the man that stole your heart.
I can't wait for you to see my baby. You know? You see how cute and portable he is. I hope you will not fall in love.
Baby, please, you need to calm down here. People are asking after you, please.
Okay, I'll be right there. I have to go now. They're asking after me.
Alright, I'll join you. Let me just touch up.
Alright.
Nobody will save you here today. Nobody will save you.
Nobody will save her. No, touch her. Touch her. What's the problem?
Papa, I will not stop beating this girl until you stop insulting me.
Chanda, what's the problem?
Papa, I did not insult him. He ate my food, and when I talk about it, he said that he will beat me.
He ate your food?
Yes, Papa.
Let me get it. You see your life. You are the one insulting yourself in this house. You see it? Nonsense.
Papa, I did not eat her food. I saw her food in the kitchen and I ate the food. How am I supposed to know it's her food?
Papa,
how?
That food is mine. He knows.
You cannot feel around.
Stop touching me.
Papa,
Don't touch me.
don't touch me.
Don't
Papa, don't touch me.
her.
Touch her. Don't touch me.
No, touch her now. Touch her. You are the one entitled to touching somebody. Touch her.
Don't worry, Papa will soon go out. I will beat you blue and black.
No, you beat her
You
because...
don't do anything. Touch me.
When you run your mouth finish, come and enter this
I will
house.
enter
Which
this
house?
house. You don't do
Enter.
anything. It's not your house. It's my father's house.
Papa will not be your father's house.
Yes.
No, the house you built.
Enter this house.
The house you and your useless business
Enter this house.
You must pay for that food, though. You must pay for that food.
Come on.
You must.
No, hold on. Don't worry.
Come. Look at it. No, come at it. No, listen. Don't. Nonsense. Go. Go and stand there. Let him come and touch you.
Flash off. You mean your brother has come back?
Yes, my brother is back. That was what I was coming to tell you the day your sister embarrassed me.
So, I'm not going to take over your father's property and the throne anymore.
Why?
Because your brother is back.
He has gone back. And this time, he has gone for good.
Are you sure?
Of course I'm sure. Are you still doubting me?
I am not doubting you, but I'm listening.
I am going to take you to my parents' house any moment from now.
Really?
Of course.
So what will you tell them about me?
I am going to tell them that you are the love of my life. And we are going to get married.
I hope Vera knows what she's saying, because her mother does not like me. Her mother might force her son to come back to take over the throne. I know what Monet can do. What do I do now?
Hi, babe. Are you serious? Okay, I'm coming. Alright.
Silver.
Gold?
How often do you come here?
Once in a while.
Okay.
And you?
I come here all the time.
You see?
Mhm.
You know, sometimes we tend to unwind.
Exactly. To remove stress.
Exactly. Life is not so serious like that.
Sorry, I have a call. Sorry about that.
Oh, that's fine. That's fine. So you care for a dance?
Sure.
Red rose, red rose, red rose. It's happening like a dream, but it's not a dream. Is this love? If I'm love, come to red rose, red rose, red rose. I thought I found true love. I never know he's a player. I thought I found true love. I never know he's a player. I thought I found true love. I never know he's a player. Your look is different from your heart. Your look is different from your thinking. Only one knows.
I heard noises. I know you're back. Gold, what happened? I was calling you all through the night and you didn't even pick your calls.
I'm sorry. I was carried away by the blues of the night.
I thought as much. So how did it go?
It was fun.
You owe me just.
Livia, start going to work. You'll be late. Oh yeah?
I know. But promise me once I get back, you're going to give me all the gist.
No wahala, I will.
Alright. Have a blessed day.
Alright. Oh God. He hasn't called till now. Well, they say if Mohammed doesn't go to the mountain has to go to Mohammed. is this call? Why is his phone switched off? Could it be that he wanted to use me and walk away? But Silva told me he loves me. Why would he do this to me? Why is his phone not going through? Oh, God. Nivea, have you ever fallen in love at first sight before?
Why do you ask?
Nothing. I just want to know.
Are you in love?
Not really.
Good. It's written all over you, so don't lie.
Oh, Nivea, there's this guy I met at the club.
Okay.
He was so kind to me, but what I don't understand is the way he left me in the hotel.
How did he leave you?
We were together and then I woke up, he was gone. He left some money in the hotel room for me.
Did you guys bargain?
No.
Did you exchange contact?
We did. I've been trying to reach him on the phone. Not reachable. It seems he gave me a wrong number.
Obviously. Are you surprised? I'm not surprised because that's how men are. Once they get what they want, oh, here is your case.
Well, he told me he loved me.
Oh, God. Love. Gold. You of all people should know better. Love shouldn't be in your dictionary. What are you saying? You just have to get over him, okay? He's not real. That's how they just deceive women. It's their new trick, baby. Their new trick. So forget about him. He's gone.
Red rose, red rose, red rose. It's happening like a dream, but it's not dream. Is this love?
Gold? Where is your mind? Don't tell me you've been thinking about that boy.
Nivea, you won't understand. For the first time in my life, I feel used.
Used? Don't use such words on yourself. That's so harsh. And moreover, the guy is a good guy. Most guys in his position won't even drop a dime for you. At least he left some money for you, so you shouldn't feel that way.
I want to go to the club this night.
Again?
Yes, I believe I will see him.
Come on, babe. Is it not obvious he doesn't like you?
I don't care. I just want to see him. Please, can you come with me?
Hell no.
Please.
I will not come.
Please.
And what
What if you go there and he doesn't show up?
And they will come back, and I promise I will never talk about him again.
Deal?
Deal.
Gold. You promise. It's alright. Just stop thinking about the whole thing, okay? Don't see yourself like you're used. You're not. Alright? I just pray I will finish on Thanksday. I'll see you later.
Thank you.
Take care. See you.
Alright.
Your look is different from your heart. Your look is different from your thinking. Only one night stand. Just one night stand. This is what became of me. I can't be myself anymore. I have gone far and near in search of you. Yet you are nowhere to be found. Only one night stand. Just one night stand.
So, yeah. Vincent, oh no, Jay. What am I seeing?
Charles Ofo.
My God,
Charles.
is this you?
Yes, of course, it's me.
Good to see you again. No, look at my guy. It's been a while.
Yeah.
I learned you traveled abroad after school.
Oh, yes, but I later returned after my master's.
Oh boy, see my guy, looking fresh. Badass artist that year. So what are you doing here? Who invited you?
My girl, Nive.
Nive.
Yeah.
That's a girl?
Yeah.
That means you'll be getting married to her soon?
Absolutely.
Wow, nice. Okay, this is my woman, Gold.
Oh, your woman?
Yes, Gold. My long-time friend.
Hello.
Nice to meet you.
Hi, baby.
Here comes like that.
Baby, I'm so sorry I kept you waiting.
Okay, I was already waiting. Hoping you come very soon.
I know.
Are you good? Sure.
Wait, that's my classmate back then.
Yeah, my bosom friend.
That's all for who used to be companion back in school.
Wow.
Yeah.
He traveled abroad. I didn't see him for some time.
Oh my goodness.
My man got so long to you know.
Yes, they're looking good.
What a small world.
It was brief that time. Now you added a little.
Oh my God. Please don't say that to my baby.
So this is the thank you tell me for saving your ass back in school. This nigga stole the phone back then in school.
Oh!
You remember, right?
We stole it together.
Oh, please stop, guys. Baby, I haven't told you. Here is my best friend, my sister, my everything, Gold.
Wow. Gold.
Yeah, my woman.
Introduction again. Nice to meet you, bro.
Yeah.
Same here.
Babe, are you sure you're fine?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Can we go inside? There's something I'd like you to help me with.
Alright. Babe, I'll be right back.
Yeah, don't take time, okay? Not too much gist.
I'll be there to get her to
Why is your mood like this?
Nivea, today is the worst day of my life.
Don't say that. Today is supposed to be the best day of your life.
Nivea, you will not understand.
Make me understand. You know I'm here for you. Tell me what is bothering you. Why is your mood like this? You're even crying.
It's Silver.
Not again. I thought it's already in the past.
He showed up again.
I don't understand. How do you mean he showed up again?
As we speak, Silver is in the building. Look, it's Vinny.
What do you mean by it's Vinny? You mean my Vinny is Silver?
Yes.
Tell me you're joking.
No, I'm not. Look, he lied to me about everything. I remember he told me he was an artist. No! Give here!
Baby, please. Baby, please don't do this. Can you just come in, please?
Please what? Please what exactly? I wonder why I fell for you in the first place. I was doing just fine on my own. Rubbish.
Babe, please. I'm a changed person. Okay? You please.
You're a changed person. You're nothing but a snitch. Now I know why they call you bad man. It's written, it's all over. You can see it. Stay away from me. I'm warning you. Just stay away from me.
Red rose, red rose.
Look, I can't give up on you no matter how you chase me, okay?
Stay
Look,
away from me.
can you please respect me? Come inside, then we can talk about it, please.
Wayward man, stay away from me.
Please.
Babe.
Yes.
Nivea left the party unannounced. What is going on?
Well, I told her the truth about her fiancé.
You told her the truth about her fiancé? Really? Wait, you mean you knew that guy before now?
Yes. He was my late cousin's boyfriend. He wasn't nice to her at all.
But everything happened in the past. Maybe he's a changed person. Who knows?
What are you insinuating?
What I'm trying to say is that you cannot judge a book by its cover. Listen, what you just did now might cause big issues in their relationship.
Wait, are you saying I should watch that monster destroy my best friend's life same way he did to my late cousin? Is that what you're saying?
You're not understanding what I'm trying to say. Now look at the way she just left the party like that. Because of you. Do you know what you just did now can cause big issues in their relationship?
I don't freaking care.
You don't care? Excuse me.
It's all about her. Nobody cares about me. Nobody knows what I'm going through. It's all about her.
Mama, I have been worried since my fiancée told me over her brother's return.
I believe the princess knows what to do. And they say you told you not to bother yourself. So why are you worrying yourself?
Mama, anything can happen. Anything can happen at any moment. I wonder why that man has refused to die.
I'm confused too. Because you're supposed to die before now. Mommy, man.
Listen, Mama, I am running out of patience. We should think of what to do because I must take over that throne.
Huh?
I must take over that throne, no?
Now you are talking. And we need to think of what to do to that man. We need to think.
Mama, I must take over that throne. I must take over it.
Calm down. Bring down your voice. What are they up to?
You be my love, oh my love, oh. Forever, nothing can separate us, my love.
Stay away from me. Just stay away from me. Did you hear me?
I can explain.
Explain what exactly? No. What do you want to explain to me? That you slept with a girl and then you confessed your love for her? You disappeared into the air, into the night, and here you are telling me you can explain. You're nothing but a cheat. And you see this relationship, it's over.
Baby, please don't do this to me, please.
Don't do what he... I cannot be with a man like you, I'm sorry. You disgust me. Here's your ring. Leave my house and don't come close to me. Leave my house. I don't want to push you. Leave my house.
Please, I'm sorry. Please, sorry. I know how you feel. But I want you to understand that whatever I had with gold was in the past. It's history now. Please.
In the past? Can you hear yourself? No, did you listen to yourself? Did you know the amount of damage you caused her? Do you know? She was here crying every day. Looking forward to seeing you. Not even a call. You didn't even bother. Not even a day to reach out to her. And then you walked into my life just to turn it upside down, right? This is what you do. Well done. Congratulations, okay? Congratulations.
Please hear me out, please. I'm sorry all of that happened, but I'm a changed person now. The way I feel for you is not compared to the way I feel for her. Okay? I'm in love right now. Please. I'm sorry. I'm sorry that happened. Please.
I'm the new person on your trick, right? No, you want to do to me what you do to them, right? Oh my God. Please. Just stay away from me and leave my house this minute.
You can't possibly say that.
Don't come any close to me. Don't even try it. Just go. Leave me alone. Stay away from me. Stay away from me. You're a beast.
Sorry, please.
Stay away from me.
Please.
Leave my house. Get out.
You be my love, oh my love, oh. Forever, nothing can separate us, my love. Nothing can stop my love for you. I love you, I fall again, and you go be more. I fall again, love more. Our love is forevermore. It's forever. We are meant to be together as one. Unbreakable love. Love. Love.
Who is he? And why is he staring at me like that? Well, who cares? Let me eat and get out of here.
Madam, please get me serviette.
meant to be together as one. Unbreakable. Forevermore. Forevermore. Please don't break this love because of my past life. Oh, don't break this love because of my past life. I love you, more than words can tell. Maybe it is only death can separate us in this love. Oh, my love. Our love is forevermore. We are meant to be together as one. Unbreakable love. Our love is forevermore. We are meant to be together as one. Unbreakable love. Onye mege na sirirugo. Love mege na sirirugo. Our love is forevermore. We are meant to be together as one. Unbreakable love.
Hi. I don't know. The car just suddenly stopped. And it's not coming on again.
Suddenly stopped. No sign.
No sign. She refused to start.
Okay, let me try kicking it. Let me hear the sound.
Can't you see it's not starting?
Oh, you tried now?
Yes.
Oh, wow.
I found your ring.
Uh-huh. When last did you change oil?
Last month.
Last month?
Yeah.
I think it's the kick. Oh no. Looks like what kick can do. And the battery head. Oh, it's loose. You're meant to tighten it, yeah?
Are you serious?
Go try. Go start. Let me see.
I should start it.
Yeah. Let's see. The battery head is the terminal is not. So you have to change the battery head, okay? And then your kick.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you so much.
That's fine.
I'm very grateful.
You're welcome. Just try offing it.
Alright. Wow.
Let me.
Oh.
Yeah, I just want to make sure it's very tight so it doesn't stop.
You're such a gentleman.
It's fine. It's fine.
Thank you. Nivelle?
I'm Vinny.
Oh, my pleasure.
Same here.
You're such a
sure.
gentleman.
Oh, thank you. Come on. I wouldn't want to see you stranded.
You're such a gentleman.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Oh, you're welcome. Just drive straight to the electrician so they can, tighten the terminal head.
Sure, I will do that.
All right. Have a nice day.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
Please don't break this love because of my past life. Oh, don't break this love because.
Hi, God. Okay, I'm very close to the house. I'm coming. All right. I will see you shortly. Okay. I'm very close. All right. so sorry. My car was giving me issues. You know, I tried to move it, but it wasn't moving.
Look, you need to hurry up, alright? You kept me waiting. Hurry up, please.
I'm sorry.
Look at the time now.
Where are we going to?
To the club. I want to know if he will come around.
Silver. Come on, Gold. What if you go there and he doesn't show up?
And he will come back.
Just like that?
Look, I just want to try my luck.
Gold, are you sure you're not obsessed with this guy? Anyway, it's alright. Let me change to something.
Hurry up, please.
So beautiful.
Hello. I'll be back.
Why to?
I want to check if I'll see him around.
Don't waste time.
I won't.
You be my love, oh my love, oh, forever. Nothing can separate us, my love. Nothing can stop my love for you. I love you, I follow Ginanya, and you don't go be more. I follow Ginanya, love more. Our love is forevermore. It's forever. We are meant to be together as one. Unbreakable love. 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 Our love is forevermore. We are meant to be together.
How far? How did it go?
Let's go.
You didn't see him?
No.
Please don't break this love because of my past life. Oh, don't break this love because of my past life. I love you, more than words can tell. Baby, it is only that can say.
You know, men are very wicked.
Are you just getting to know?
You needed to see how he was begging to be my man.
That's the most annoying part of it. I don't know. It's their new trick, right? That's how they behave. Men beg for everything. They beg and beg and beg. You just wonder what's happening.
I never knew he was their new trick.
It is their new trick. But you know what? Babes, Gold, just as your name is, so you are. See, I don't want you thinking about this or thinking he dumped you. You're not worthy. You're not good. Come on. You're good. You're worthy. You're beautiful. Name it.
Livia,
Yeah.
thank you for always encouraging me with your words. Thank you.
It's all right. You deserve better. He lost and not you. Because he just lost a good woman. Come on, we need to do something. Something for fun, you know? Let's play cards.
Forget the past. Don't use it against others. The female will be gone.
Nivea, right?
Yeah, Vinny.
Oh, wow. Nivea, what's up?
I'm good.
It's been a long time.
Yes.
Oh wow, you also work out here?
I do.
Okay, that's nice. Wow, it's actually good to see you again. You know.
Same here.
Okay, let's go together then.
Okay, that's fine.
So, wow. Of course, we'll see again and again if you come to work out here.
Vinny, I just want to say thank you so much for, helping me out today.
Hey.
It wasn't really easy.
It's nothing. I guess we've been playing around in the gym.
Don't go there.
Okay, let me have your contact if you don't mind.
Okay, that's fine. Okay, here we go.
Okay. Wow. Leave it.
Bye.
All right, bye.
Oh my God. What? Why are you staring at me like that?
Let me guess. You have a secret date because I don't know of this one.
Not really. It's just the guy I met at the gym house the other time. Even though it's our second time.
Oh, you guys already met twice. How romantic.
The second time was just a coincidence. Please don't think there's something going on between I and this guy because there's absolutely nothing going on. Okay?
Anyways, from the look of things, from the excitement on your face, I think he likes you.
Well, good for him.
Good for him?
Yeah.
Look, Nivea, I understand how you feel about men, but you told me some time ago that there are some good men. Not all men are bad. Come on.
It's all right. Please, someone got you a gift.
Someone got me a gift?
Yes.
Well, let me guess, my baby?
Obviously. You won't see that alone. I'm coming along with you. Wow. These are really, this is so beautiful. See the color now. This is nice.
Thank you.
So when are you leaving?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow? So how long will you be gone?
Let's say a week or more.
A week? I don't know how I feel, but this your traveling is just too sudden.
Look, I have to go. I don't want to waste it. I want to nail it on him. I want to pin it on him.
I understand. It's just that I'm going to be very lonely without you.
I know. Don't worry, I won't be too long. After a week, I'll be back before you know it.
A week is just too far. But these things are really nice. Good, I don't like this thing you're doing. You better be serious with this game. Very serious. Because... Pick two.
Which one is pick two?
But that's it now.
You are cheating.
Ha! Don't say that though. Pick another two.
You think I didn't see you, right? Let's start all over again.
How? What is a free and fair game?
There's nothing like free and fair here. I'm playing while you. Let's do it.
Because I don't like this thing you're doing. Why is that anytime somebody is winning you'll be doing? Your phone is ringing.
Because I don't have to talk to that person.
Why? Who is the person?
It's some guy. He's asking me out on a date.
How serious is he?
Who cares? Look, no man is toying with my heart again. I'm not going to let it happen.
You know, I understand. But just know that all men are not the same.
I don't want to know. I think I'm pregnant.
Pregnant?
For who? Who else? Silver.
Forget it.
This is how he ruined my friend's life. And now he wants to ruin my life. But I will not. I will never allow him to ruin my life. I will not. Wait. No, don't tell me I'm pregnant. Don't tell me I'm pregnant. No, I can't be. I haven't even seen my period. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. No.
Hello, Chike.
What's going on?
I'm in trouble.
What's going on?
Where are you?
I'm in my house.
Okay, I'm coming.
My love. I love you so much.
I love it too.
I can do anything to make you happy.
Are you sure?
I swear with my life.
You mean so much to
No
me.
matter what my parents do, no matter the frustration, I'll be there for you. You mean so much to me.
I love you so much.
I love you too. What is it now? Wait now.
Hey! Hello! Good afternoon, Papa. Good afternoon, Gogeba. No, good afternoon, kill you there. Good afternoon, Gogeba.
Sir, he was trying to remove something from my eyes.
Yes! I saw it very clearly. He was removing sand from your eyes. In fact, not just a log of wood from your eyes. Eh? So, America, this is what you do, eh? But this is how you commit abomination all over the place. Both of you. Okay. Hey! Is that so? No, don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. No excuses. Eh? I support you in every way from now on. Eh? Don't just remove something from her eyes. After removing, don't forget to put. You understand me? It is the putting that is going to smash your head. Idiot. Hi!
See, don't mind my father. I can take care of him.
Your father does not like
Come
me.
on, babe, don't say that. Don't say that. That's how he behaves.
I'm leaving.
Wait now. See, wait.
I'll talk to you later. I'll call you, okay? I'll talk to you later. No.
Vinny, what's going on?
Neve broke up with me.
Oh my. Why?
You know that girl I told you I met in the club sometime? We went to the hotel together. Yeah, I remember. She's Nivea's friend. She told her everything. I mean, it's crazy. Like,
Damn it! Damn it! Okay, let me have Nivea's number.
That's not it. She's not. Her phone has been switched off.
Don't worry, just let me have it. Damn it!
Oh, don't break this love because of my past life. I love you, more than words can tell.
Allô? Tu fier quoi? Il faut jamais l'obodo. Tu fier? What nonsense is? This is rubbish. This is absolute rubbish. Hey! Chileke.
My husband, what is that?
You're asking me what is this?
Eh?
Go to the road and see what your useless son is doing with the princess. They're out there. Go to the road now. They are there romancing, kissing, in fact, making love in full glare of the public.
Is that why you were ranting? Eh? Is that why you are ranting? Eh? Allow these children to express their feelings. You are looking at, as in looking for the person talking.
No, excuse me. Wait. Was that the whining of a mosquito, or did someone just speak to me? Wait. You call promiscuity to the highest level enjoyment. You. Hey! I knew it. I knew that this must have been how you started before I rescued you from yourself. Yes, before I rescued you from self-destruction. This is exactly the type of life you are living. No problem. But I want to tell you something. Whatever you and that useless son of yours bring upon your own heads, you shall carry them.
Nothing will happen. Okay. Allow them to enjoy themselves.
No problem.
You are not a noisemaker in this house. Rita, you're shouting. Nonsense. Let them kiss. If they like, let them romance themselves there and do whatever they like. They are kissing themselves.
Mom, Dad, please, I love Emenike so much. And we cannot live without each other.
Oh, yeah.
I brought this for you to accept. I need your blessings, Ma.
Come on.
Dad, please, I need
Come on.
Stop now.
Now you're looking for my trouble.
Are you mad?
You're looking for my trouble.
Look at this.
Story to tell, your own cannot be different. Your past life, let it remain past. Stop fighting by all costs. Everybody have a story to tell. Don't let your own to be different. Your past life, let it remain past. Stop fighting by all costs. Everybody have a story to tell. Don't let your own to be different. Stop fighting, Inugo. Don't let your own to be different. 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 Your past life, let it remain past. Stop fighting by all costs. Everybody have a story to tell.
Greetings, Your Majesty.
How are you, my boy?
I'm fine.
Please, I'm looking for Mr. Ikemba's house.
Mr. Ikemba's house. Okay. Ma, if you take a right turn, by your right, the other compound by your left, yes, that's the place, the first compound. Yes, ma.
Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you.
Yeah. Chinaya, give him 1,000 naira.
Ah, Your Majesty, we live long. Thank you very much. Your Majesty, thank you.
Please. I want to marry Emenike. I love him so much. We need your blessings, sir.
Whose blessings? Are you mad? Will you shut up there? Is this how... My queen.
And what the hell do you think you are doing here?
Mom, I came to see his people to declare my interest in their son.
Will you shut up? Can you just listen to yourself what you're saying? Just look at the place you came to. Look at the person you said you want to marry. He does not even look like a human being. What do you think you are doing?
Mom, please go home. We'll talk about this when I get back.
Shut that asshole you call mouth. Shut it! I have warned your son severally, but he seems to be the stubborn type. I want you now to warn him to stay away from my daughter. Next time you see me here, you will not like what I will do. And you will regret it. Do not say that I did not warn you. A word is enough for the wise.
Hey, my queen, it's not me, oh. It's my husband. Because I have never supported my son.
Mama. Mama.
Enough! You. Let me not get home before you. Nonsense.
You be my love, oh my love, oh, forever. Nothing can separate us, my love. Nothing can stop my love for you. I love you, I fall again, and you don't go before. I fall again, love, our love. It's forever. We are meant to be together.
How did my mother locate your house?
My love, I can't tell. As I am talking to you right now, I cannot tell.
My mother is trying to frustrate me. I don't know why this woman does not want my happiness. She's just trying to kill my plans and frustrate my life.
I know who must have given out that information.
Who?
Ijoma, my younger sister.
What? Your sister?
Yes.
What made you say so?
Ijoma can go to any length to frustrate our plans. I know her too well. She's my sister. My younger sister for that matter. She is the one behind all this. Hey, zombie, come here. Come here! Come and stand here. Come here. Why did you report my fiancée to her mother that she visited our house?
Is that why you stopped me?
If you shout at me, I will slap thunder out of your eyes. I asked a simple question. Why did you report my fiancé?
I did not.
Oh, shut up. Stop lying. You did.
What kind of stupid truth are you talking about?
Listen, Ijoma, if you run your mouth here, I will order her to slap hell out of you.
She will not slap me. She will not do it. You slapped me.
Now do it again.
Emelike, so you ordered this useless girl to slap me, Abi?
You deserve more than this. In fact, you deserve to be beaten mercilessly.
You will meet me at home. Nonsense, boy. You just come on, get out from my face.
Even my mates and my guards can't speak to me the way she's speaking to me.
My love is okay.
It's because she's your sister. I would have asked one of my guards to flog her mercilessly.
It's okay, I'm sorry. Don't worry, she's my sister. I will handle her. Please.
Better do.
Sorry.
Why did you lie to the queen? You told her that he came back, that I am supporting Emelike.
What did you expect me to tell you?
The truth. The truth. Truth is like an erect mountain. You may try, but you cannot bend it. Yes. Anyway, thank God the queen was here. Let me see how Emelike will continue his stupidity.
He will continue. The queen cannot stop him. Yes.
Anyway, I will not answer you. The king will soon come here and take action against you.
He will. No! He will come and take action against you, not me.
Okay. What happened?
This is not Princess and Emenike.
What
Emenike asked the princess to slap me.
Slap you?
Yes, Papa.
Emenike?
That is very good for you. So that next time you learn how to mind your business. This is just the beginning. Next time she she's going to slap all the teeth away from your mouth.
Don't worry. Nne, sit down.
Oh,
Don't
no,
worry.
cha.
I will deal with everything in this house. I'm happy. Hiya. Mama.
But do with him. But you not keep quiet. You don't mind your business.
Look at this
But
one.
do with him, oh.
You are this one. I will deal with him and I will deal with you too. I'm going for it. By the time I finish with both of you in this house, people will know.
Upe!
Super. Yeah? I will tell Emenike that I am his father. I am his father. And as for you, one day you are going to tell me where you got him from, because in fact sometimes his behavior, his mannerisms, his character, his behavioral attitude tells a very, very different story from my window.
Don't break this love because of my past life. Oh, don't break this love because of my past life. I love you, more than words can tell. Maybe it is only that.
See, I have finally told him.
Are you serious? So tell me, what did he say?
He accepted.
Oh my God! Are you serious?
Guess what?
What?
He also proposed to me that same moment.
He did? This is good. This is good. So what next? My girl is hooked. Gold, you're hooked for life. I'm so happy. Like, I'm super happy. Oh my God. This is one of the best news I've heard today. You just made my day. Just take care of yourself. You know the plans now. Be careful, okay?
You see, my instinct about him was right all this while.
Do you know we even kissed?
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You know what? I think you should hold on to this guy. He is yours.
I'm scared. I don't want anybody to break my heart.
Nivea, you should learn to trust people. Trust him, okay? You know what I'm talking about.
I'm trying. Anyway, how is your man? How are you guys doing?
He's fine.
I can see you're really glowing. So, we need to go and catch up with you.
Okay.
Alright.
Can separate us in this love. Oh, my love. Our love is forevermore. We are meant to be together as one. Unbreakable love. Love.
I can't believe this, son. I can't believe this. I don't ever want to see him anywhere close to me. I don't. Once I get to the hospital tomorrow and I find out I'm pregnant for him, I will have to get rid of this baby because I can't have a child for that bastard. The bastard!
We are meant to be together as one. unbreakable love, onye mege na sirinugo, love mege na sirinugo, our love is forevermore. We are meant to be together as one, unbreakable love, love.
I've been calling her since yesterday. She's not taking calls. What is going on? This is unusual.
Please don't break this love because of my past life. Oh, don't break this love because of my past life.
I'm sorry, Mom, for keeping you waiting. Congratulations. You're 3 weeks pregnant. Have it. Take it. Go ahead. Are you okay? Oh, good.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Vera's father is taking too long to die. Delay can be dangerous. By now, I'm supposed to have taken over the man's properties and the throne. Emenike, you have to do something fast. Death is death, whether the man dies naturally or otherwise. I have to think fast.
My princess. Is he dead?
Who?
I mean your father.
I don't understand. Are you wishing my father dead?
My love, you said he would die soon. Up till now he's still alive. I don't get what's going on.
Are you for real? Please do not wish my father dead, okay? My father would die at his appointed time.
My love, delay can be dangerous based on what we planned, and we don't know what your brother had in mind. So we need to do something fast about it.
It's okay. Vincent is gone and he's gone for good, okay? By the way, that's not why I'm here. I want to talk to you about something. Come. Let's go somewhere private and talk.
You be my love, oh my love, oh, forever. Nothing can separate us, my love. Nothing can stop my love for you. I love you. Afulunginanya, and you go be more. Afulunginanya, love more. Our love is forevermore. Is forever. We are meant to be together as one.
Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Leave it. Odimgbe.
Please don't break this love because of my past life. Oh, don't break this love because of my past life. I love you, more than words can tell. Maybe it is only death can separate us in this love. Oh, my love.
Our love. This is where you do all your paintings.
Yeah.
Jesus.
Sorry, that's fine. That's fine. I'm an artist. This is my establishment. I'm the artist.
Really?
Yeah.
You're a painter? You do all this? Wow, that's amazing.
Thank you.
Nice.
Well, this is actually a surprise, but I don't know why I want to tell you now.
Okay.
I made a beautiful piece of you. Portrait.
Me?
Yeah. Though I'm not done yet, but
Why?
because I haven't seen someone as beautiful as you are. From the first day I saw you, I haven't been myself.
Please stop it. Okay? Just stop.